All right, guys, so in terms of creating your Genius Hour project that you're going to actually be creating something that you're going to share with the world or with the class, one of the options that you might choose to use is a blog. Now, you don't want to muddle this with your class blog where you're posting final drafts and you're posting, sorry about that, and where you're posting other things that have to do with just normal classroom assignments. You're really wanting this to be focused exclusively on sharing what you've learned through your Genius Hour project. So what I would suggest that you do is log into EduBlogs. You're going to go to your dashboard, and then you're going to see that once you're on your dashboard, right over here on the left, you see something called My Sites. So if you click on that, it's going to open up the blogs that you have. And the current blog that you're going to see, obviously mine is a Necessary Classroom, which is where I'm posting my models and examples for you guys. Yours will be whatever you've titled yours. But if you go up here and click Add New, then it's going to take you to the screen, which is going to show you what your blog is, but it's also going to allow you to set up a new blog. But this new blog is still tied to the same username that you've been using, so you don't have to remember a separate username, a separate password, and all of that. You'll just choose to edit your Genius Hour blog instead of editing your classroom blog when you're making posts. So let's say that my Genius Hour project was on how current events affect teenagers today, and I was going to cover a different current event once a month in a blog post, and then interview people and write about it, blah blah blah. So I would just come up here underneath blog title and do like current events and teens. Okay, current teens edublogs.org, see if it would let me to create it. Click agree, click I'm not a robot, and then I would create the blog. I'm actually not going to create it because in case somebody wants to use it, I don't want to take up that URL if it's needed. But then from there, you just make your posts about on your Genius Hour, like your final draft posts that you're sharing with the world on that blog. And that is how you could use blogs to share what you've learned through Genius Hour.